What's going on, everybody? I'm Dave. Today we're taking a trip down under to Australia to make a burger that is loaded with all kinds of flavor combinations. Let's get it started. This needs a big patty, so I'm doing half-pound patties. I also like to add a little bit of coarse pepper and kosher salt, a little bit of minced garlic, and some eggs in mine. And I'll mix this all up. Now again, you just want to make them, right now I just put them into round. And we're just gonna make these nice half-pound burgers, so we'll add a little more there. So I'll throw these in the fridge. Okay, for this massive burger loaded with toppings, we're just gonna make a sauce that we're gonna add to our bun here later. It's gonna be really simple. We're putting some mayo, some ketchup, and then we wanna put a little kick on this sauce. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to use it, but grab your favorite hot sauce and add some of it to it. It'll give a nice little kick to these toppings we're throwing on. Mix this all up. I love that. Now we'll save this for after we're done cooking. We'll load this up on the bun. So we'll slice the beets up, then we're gonna pickle them here. Now we're gonna pickle our beets here. It's a real simple process. We're just gonna take our rice vinegar, white vinegar, and some sugar. We're gonna mix it up, bring this to a boil, stirring till you dissolve that sugar. All right, so this came to a boil. We've got all the sugar dissolved in there. It's ready to pour in, and then it'll take about an hour, and then they'll be ready for our burger. We're gonna start with the nice thick cut bacon here. We're gonna dump these beautiful Australian Wagyu burgers. Okay, it's been about 5 to 6 minutes. It's coming along perfectly. The smells on this grill are insane. We're gonna give these a quick flip. These smell incredible already. We're gonna throw on the onion as well, right here in the back, just to give a little kind of sear to both sides. We're gonna add the cheddar cheese on top of our burgers. Let that melt over it a little bit, and our burgers will be done shortly as well. And we're just gonna give a quick little cook on the grill to the pineapple. Okay, so we toasted the buns just a little bit on here as well. We're gonna load up the bottom with our little spicy sauce we put together with the mayo, ketchup. Lay down a nice piece of lettuce, a little tomato. Gonna flip the pineapple real quick, give them another 30 seconds while we load on the onion. Our pickled beets. Tomato. It's pretty tall and we don't have the burger on there yet. We're gonna need a big mouth for this one. I think I can do it though. Load on the nice burger. Again, that's Australian Wagyu beef. Cheddar cheese on top. Gonna throw these on the plancha just to keep the eggs in one place a little bit. And I'm gonna just do a nice sunny side up egg. Leave that yolk nice and runny. Gonna take the bacon, place this on top of our burgers. This one's perfect. Gonna just give a little pinch of pepper, tiny pinch of salt on top of these. This will be messy, but it looks like it's worth it. Oh, the yolk is coming apart everywhere. Oh my goodness. That burger is just amazing. The flavors are still hitting me. There's so many different tastes in my mouth. The bacon, the onion, the beets, the tomato. Oh, and nothing beats on a burger a nice runny yolk on the top. That is messy. Definitely not something you want to eat on a first date, guys. But outstanding burger. This was such a fun cook, amazing flavors in this burger. Have a great day, everyone, and remember, spread love through barbecue.